Hello, Year 4. Welcome to our afternoon lessons. In art today, really exciting, we're going to be able to make our Maya mask. Some of you actually jumped ahead and did this last week. That's absolutely fine. Did sort of make sense to get that design whilst you're getting the materials and create it. You're going to see a couple of those examples actually because they were outstanding. I can't wait to share them. If you have already done that, please make sure you're looking at the evaluation part on the slides and completing that for your piece of work. I'd love to see you reflect on your learning. And maybe as a short task, can you research Chichen Itza and produce some form of artwork, whether that's a drawing or a collage or a painting? If you have paint at home, you have full control over that. And I look forward to seeing your creativity. Let's have a look at our slides then. So we are going to create and then evaluate our masks this afternoon. So using the materials that you gathered on Thursday and looking closely at the different designs that you have drawn, can you create your own? The examples I've got were actually masks, which is amazing. That's really, really good. A couple that I saw were also collages where they were just on a sheet of paper and the materials either sort of glued on without the string or even without the glue, just positioned so that anything you can do, I appreciate it's very difficult from home instead of having all of our school resources. So just try your best and enjoy it, okay? Have a look for some inspiration on the next slides and also think about other resources that you may not have already considered. Toilet roll or the actual cardboard tubes, colouring pens and pencils, paint, glue, glitter, stitching if you can, feathers, small little gems or anything, any sort of stickers maybe that you have in your pencil cases, clay, if you have clay, why not give that a go? Maybe even food items, or if you're not using it as a mask, small bits of food that isn't going to go moldy, obviously. And then any packaging or card or paper, just be as creative as you can. I can't wait to see it. Neither can Gary the Gauntlet. He's clearly very happy and very excited. Look at the smile on his face. Here are some examples. These two were sent in to me before the weekend and they're amazing. They should be so proud of those. Look at all the different resources they use. Look at all the vibrant colors. I can tell straight away what type of mask these are. And it's absolutely brilliant. So well done, those guys that have sent photos in. You should be very, very proud of yourselves. We've also got some on here. These are a bit more 3D. You may not have the resources to do that, but that's fine. And then finally, here are your questions to reflect on and evaluate afterwards. So, is your final product the same as your original design? Or have you changed the colors? Have you actually decided that you didn't want to use those materials in the end? You wanted to use something else? Was the stitching a bit too difficult around the eyes? What did you replace that with? Next, what do you really like about your mask? I'm sure there's going to be lots and lots of different things, and I imagine the vibrant colors would be a standout for all of you. What would you change next time, other than the fact that hopefully doing it with myself and Mr. Needs in the class with all the different resources and having a really good time? And what problems did you overcome? Again, other than the problem of having to do it at home and try and find those resources and materials for yourself. Here are a few examples. I'm not going to read all of this. Let me just look at the model answer for question 3, say. So what would you like to change about your design? Next time, I would make sure I keep my design simple so it is easier to create. So maybe not as intricate or detailed like the death masks were, for example. Additionally, these fronted adverbials again, I would try to make sure it is symmetrical so it looks better when I put it on. And finally, I would like to create a different type of mask next time. Okay, so pause this slide. It will help you with some of your answers. I cannot wait to see some more of these because the ones I've already looked at are amazing. Enjoy it. Have a great afternoon, Year 4. Bye-bye.